Hi, it's Wong with Hands-On Therapy Services. Miami has some of the best things to offer this time of year. There's so many things that you could do, so many different things you could be doing this time of year now that it's cooler. And if you didn't have any shoulder or neck problems, you could probably be enjoying yourself that much more. So some of the things I'd like to suggest or I'd like to recommend this time of year is, now that the weather's cooler, be a tourist in your own town. I love that idea. Go visit a lot of us like to do beaches around here, but there's some really great parks with beaches in Miami that you could be enjoying right about now. There's Bill Bragg's, Key Biscayne, Olita Park. You can go biking, you can go kayaking now when it's not too hot. What's another thing that I enjoy? Going and if you have kids or your family members, go and play outside in the playground. You can even do workouts in the playgrounds. Now they have several different parks out there that have like gym equipment where you just go get a little bit of workout in and really just enjoy the weather and being outdoors this time of year. Another thing that you could be enjoying in Miami right about now is all the outdoor sports that you could be doing, and it's not so hot. There is outdoor racquetball, there's tennis. Tennis is year-round, but man, it's really hot, and this time of year is like the best time to go play tennis. And there's golf, and one of my favorites is frisbee golf. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it's like frisbee but with golf. There's a couple of different parks. The one that I'm most familiar with is Indian Hammocks down in the Kendall area, and you can play frisbee golf, and it's nice because you're walking around, you're getting some exercise. They have parks so you can walk around to play frisbee golf or to bike. And in Doral we have several different parks as well, and there's a really nice one in Miami Springs that's really small, and it's just a great little park. And then the other thing that I'm going to be checking out usually this time of year with my family and kids is the national parks that we have here. We have Everglades National Park, which is really great to do fun things. Then there's the Biscayne National Park, which is a marine one where you can go kayaking. And this is the best time of year to go camping too. So if you enjoy some outdoor stuff and just enjoying Miami a little bit, you can be a little bit of a tourist in your own town, and it's going to be so much more enjoyable if you don't have any shoulder or neck problems. If you do, leave me a comment. We'd love to send you some free information and even some videos of some simple stretches to get you less painful, less tight, and enjoying the best of Miami during the best time of year. Thanks.